Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6860. This ran from the 2015 to the current shape. It has a K14C 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a K14C 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory maggot tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory mag flat tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,